Okay, I want to show you a little bit about completing a teacher-made assignment as a student. Okay, so when I am in TeacherMade and I make this assignment, I just copy this to my clipboard. Okay, and then I share that link with students. Okay, since we use Schoology, I just share the link. When you open the link, this is what you're going to see. I am going to ask my students to do this to start the assignment. And once students open it, then you're going to get to work. First direction, put your name on the line. So you're just going to use a text box. I'm just going to open right here. Okay, now you can use this right here to resize. Okay, and then you can use this bar to move it around. Okay, that's for text boxes. Okay, now let's see, let me move over here. For multiple choice questions, I'm going to want to make sure, first of all, that I'm on this up here. I have the arrow chosen, and then I am going to be able to choose whatever answer I want. Notice it's not going to indicate to me which is right. I'm just going to choose the answer I believe is right. I'm going to do that for each multiple choice question. Okay, so you're going to choose the answer you believe. That's for multiple choice. So here's a matching. This is the one that sometimes students have trouble completing because they're confused. Because you see, as you click over something, all of a sudden you see a crayon. Okay, so again, make sure that you have this arrow up here. Okay, so I'm going to circle it. This right here is what you want to have selected. Okay. Now you're going to go to the matching section and say the first one I know for sure is carpal. So I'm going to do is click on carpal and hold. Okay, see how the crayon stays where it is? Now I'm going to move to where I think, do you see all of a sudden a line starts appearing? If I click and don't hold and move away, the crayon goes away. So I'm going to click and hold and then move to the term I know is the right answer and then let go. Now the line stays. And this enables it to be checked automatically because I've set up the right answers. Okay, so let me just show you one more time. So I'm going to click on it doesn't matter which side, so let's start on this side. So let's click here and anywhere that the crayon shows up. It doesn't have to be at the beginning. So I'm going to click, okay, and then, but you see, that's going to show where the line starts. So if you're like, actually, I don't want the line to start there, I want it to start over here, you can do that, but it's totally not necessary. It will still grade it the same. So you're going to click and then hold. Don't let go until you move to the term that you want to match it to and let go. And then the line should stay. Okay. If I click on a term and then move and I'm somewhere off the screen and I let go, the line doesn't stay. Okay, so click, and then the only way I can get the line to stay is to move it to one of the terms. Now, if I'm like, oh no, that's not what I meant, watch this, just click on it. When the crayon shows up on that, just click on it. It goes away. Now I can choose the correct answer. So I can go, oh, that's the one that I meant. Okay, so again, click, hold, move to the term you want, then let go of that mouse button. Okay, so click, hold that the whole time, move it, let go. Okay, so that's how you complete matching. That is, again, the trickiest one. For true, false, it's real simple. Just choose. Okay. For fill in the blank, I built this with a drop-down menu. So all you need to do is select the ones. You're going to click on the arrow, click on the term you want, and that is going to be the answer. Now, since I didn't extend this, how are you going to know which answer you picked? Watch, click on it to see it's the one that's highlighted. This one I haven't done yet. None of the answers are highlighted. Okay, so once I choose an answer, say, how am I supposed to know? Okay, you can modify this as when you're the teacher. Let me show you. In another video, I'll show you how you can change this so that the box is longer for students. But again, If you've already chosen an answer, when you click on it, it'll be highlighted. If you haven't picked an answer yet, what's highlighted is the blank space. Okay, so that's fill in the blank. And then here is you're going to type an answer in. Okay, so whatever you think is the answer for this term, okay, you're going to just type it in the box. And all of these are going to be self-checked, okay, and you're just going to get a grade. Okay, there's nothing that the teacher has to do to check it. These are all self-grading, right? But again, for all of these question types, what you want to have selected is this arrow right here. All of these other options for this assessment, I didn't need in particular except to add my name. So the text box here. All of these other ones I didn't need, although they are tools that are available in lots of other options.